Hello and welcome to another installment of Tbls Dinners. It is a little bit early, I know, but I wanted to give you a gift on Christmas, but in a very Krampus fashion. And since, you know, we usually do serial killer Saturdays,
you know what she meant.
I wanted to create something that was based off of, you know, kind of a malicious being. But you'll learn that Krampus is really not that bad of a guy. But, so what did I make based off of Krampus? Some cocoa snickerdoodles. And some of them I didn't coat. I didn't want to go and do sugar cookies because sugar cookies are too much work for me. I hate frosting. So these are a really simple, easy way to start off your holiday. They have cocoa nibs in them and they have cranberries and they got all the goodness that you could want. Some cinnamon in there too. Just everything that says the holiday spirit. But I just wanted to also let you know that my name is Jasmine and this is Tbls Dinners, and make sure to like and subscribe. I think that's about it, so let's get into some Krampus facts and make some cookies. So Krampus actually became popularized in around 2013 in the US culture, but he has been around for a long time. His origins actually come from Nordic folklore, and he is the son of Hel, which was the woman that, like, you know, ran the underworld and stuff. So Krampus is this goat-ish man with horns. He has one human foot, one hoof, and he comes to punish bad children. So he is Santa's like right-hand man. So if you're on the naughty list, Krampus is coming for you on December 5th to try to get you to right your wrongs, so that way you can be a good child for Santa. So Krampus comes on the night of December 5th, and children actually leave out their boot, because if they are good, Krampus will leave things like oranges, dried fruit, or even chocolate. Hence why I added certain ingredients into these cookies, making them the Krampus cookies that they are. But if you are a bad child, Krampus has a birch rod and he will leave that in the boot. Or, as legend says, he comes in and he will whip the child with the rod. And if the child does not repent, then he drags them down to hell in his bag. And then he tortures them by either ripping out their pigtails or, you know, just other various forms of, you know, bad things. But, you know, Krampus is a good guy because he just tries to make children do the right thing. It's kind of funny because Krampus is so popular in, you know, European culture that they actually have a Krampus Day, like, march, I think. Yeah, it's like a march or something like that. And these men and women dress up as Krampus, and they will go up to random houses and knock on the door or on the windows of the children and scare the living bejesus out of them. And then if they do that, the parents of the household have to let those people in and give them a stiff drink. So pretty much it's like New York City's SantaCon, except a little bit more with some flair to it. I almost forgot earlier one of the most important parts of Krampus's appearance, which is that he has chains, which in the Christian church, that's supposed to like symbolize his bind to hell. I just find the whole idea of Krampus very interesting because Santa, you know, obviously he's supposed to be based off of a saint, and Krampus is a demon, but both of them work together to make children better, which is just kind of weird to me because I always thought, you know, the church preaches that demons are bad, but to be honest, I don't think that Krampus is really all that bad, especially because in America's popular culture, they like to make Krampus this really bad dude, but he's really not. So I just wanted to make some cookies to represent him and to just tell you a little bit of facts about him, because not everybody knows about Krampus. I hope that you enjoyed this. Let's try these cookies. So here are our cookies. Look at it, so crispy. I got a hair on my fingy. Ew, ew. But look at that, so crispy, so wonderful, so beautiful. Now let's get to trying these cookies. The bottom is super crispy. You get the cinnamon, you get the chocolate, you get the cranberry, and it's kind of like a sugar cookie, but just like amped up a notch. It's like sugar cookie snickerdoodle with like a little bit of my flair in it. But they're still soft and they're chewy, and that middle is just super wonderful. So I hope you try these this holiday season, and I hope that you enjoy them, and I hope that you have a happy and safe Christmas. I hope that you have a killer day. Bye.